In this tutorial, I'll show you how this abstract art was made in 5 minutes. There are 3 objects in the scene. This mesh was created from Blender's math function. The mesh in the background is a duplicated and scaled-up mesh. I'll show you how this mesh was created. Shift-A to create a regular solid math function. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. There are a number of solid types we can use and customize. I picked the last one. In edit mode, type 1 to vertex select. Ctrl, B, and V, as in Victor, to bevel the vertices like this. Select one of the faces after typing 3 to face select. Shift, G, to select similar with polygon sides. Let's change the origin to the individual origins, and extrude individually. S to scale. Let's do the same for this face type. After this, I have proportionally rotated one of the pointy faces at the end. Just creating a random shape. After that, I applied a simple deform modifier and used an empty object as its anchor. The idea is to create a mysterious shape for the abstract art. Shift-D to duplicate, and scale to create a background mesh. After that, I added a background plane. Let me show you the material details. By the way, I have used the sky texture, and here are the settings. Here are my material settings. I have rendered the scene by using 16 samples to save time and denoised the final image. Please use at least 128 for the best result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.